Next, we will cover loading and unloading the filament. You can flip to page 21 in the user guide to follow along with the video. In order for the filament to melt, it must pass through the extruder and into the heating block. Here we will demonstrate loading and unloading the filament using the left side extruder. The first step is to remove the lid of the 3D printer. Then on the screen on the front of the printer, you will tap the icon labeled Tool. Then you will tap Filament and Load Left. If you are loading the right side, you would tap Load Right. The printer will then begin to heat up to 230 degrees Celsius. It can take 3 to 5 minutes for the printer to reach the right temperature. When it's reached the right temperature, it will play a small sound effect to let you know that it's ready. You load the filament by inserting it into the top of the extruder at an upright angle. Filament will begin to extrude out the nozzle. Continue loading to ensure this filament is extruding in a straight line. If it is curving or coming out clumped, please consult the troubleshooting section or consult a teacher. Tap Done when you're finished loading. Unloading the filament works in much the same way. Remove the lid of the 3D printer, tap the icon labeled Tool, tap Filament, then tap Unload Left or Right respectively. Again, the extruder will heat up to the proper temperature of 230 degrees Celsius. It will alert you once it's at operating temperature by playing a quick sound effect. You unload the filament by pressing down on a lever to the side of the extruder while gently guiding the filament out of the top of the extruder. Tap Done when you finish unloading.